Hi guys, please don't click challenge. Are you blinking? Don't blink. Oh, I played. Now this next challenge is don't move. Ooh. And this next challenge is gonna be something about hold. Don't put this in the thing. Go well holding it. It can touch a goal and gadget, but just kill. And this next challenge is gonna be the zip line. This one or this one? Aha! Oh. And this gonna be next challenge is turn on your don't move it, you miss it up. When I say this challenge is turn on your head. This is the next challenge.
Kaya ganyan po tayo kasi Kuya Oliver. Sabi may apabili ako. Kuya Oliver, mabili ka daw ng plastic na ano.